Okay, I will share this one with you. Then I will go back to check for this one. I'll make edit setting, then notify my learners. Already I did this before. Okay, Ether Wasafi Wasan. Okay, 5 okay, enable, save and go back to the course. Save and go back to the course. Okay, so this is the course. I'm waiting for them. I am waiting for you, my kids. I'm start working. Okay, I will start the lecture. I will record the lecture. Okay, and then I will come to the next part. I will also close this one. Save. Okay. Now move to the lecture of our student today. Okay, today we told that. Okay, I will make like that. Diploma conception, this one. So we told that today is 5 May 2021. Okay, grade 6 girls. Today we have girls. Okay, girls. Where is it? This one, Elijah. Okay, here we told today is 5 May 2021. Okay, section mathematics. The topic is fraction and percentages, and this lecture is addressing for girls. Okay, so today is Wednesday. The title is a fraction and percentage. Teacher Murad Sultan Zwidi, HSM. First of all, my learners should write this one: fractions and percentages. Okay, let's focus on half 1/2. It's a proper fraction. Why? Because the numerator value is 1, is less than the denominator value, which is 2. So that's why it's called proper fraction, because 1, what is written on the top, is less than what is written below. Okay, this is the numerator 1, 2 is the denominator, so 1 is less than 2. It's called a proper fraction. Now our purpose is to change a fraction to a percentage. For example, 1/2, I will try to change this fraction, which is a proper fraction, to percentage. First of all, you should try to find equivalent fraction. Means that 1/2 in fact is equivalent to 50 divided by 100. From where you wrote it comes 100, because these two, you see, I will multiply this by a number, so the answer should give 100. So I will multiply 2 by 50 and the numerator 1 by 50. 1 by 50 is 50 more learners, 2 by 50 is 100. So 50 divided by 100 is equal to 50%. So we convert a fraction to a percentage, and vice versa also is correct. 50% is 50 equal 100 divided by 100. It will be 1/2. It will be Yes, it's certain in its simplest form. Now we move to the second part. 3 over 4. I will try to change this to what? To percentage. I will try to find an equivalent fraction to 3 over 4, and then I will change to percentage. So this is 4. I will multiply 4 by 25 to get 100. Okay, then as here I multiply by 25, I should also, the numerator should multiply it by 25. 25 multiplied by 3 is 75. 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. 75 divided by 100, this is a fraction. In fact, it is equivalent to 3 over 4. Means what? The value, the name or the word equivalent means they have the same value. 3 over 4 has the same value as 75 divided by 100. So both of them are equal. Okay, so this one, 75 divided by 100, is equal to what? To 75%. Clear? This is about the first one. Okay, I will go to see this one. Okay, then we continue. The next slide, we have convert the following. This is a fraction, is 10 divided by 20. I will try to change to what? To 50%. Hello, how are you, my daughter? Science is for tomorrow. It will be tomorrow, science. My daughter. No. Today is, let's say, it will be math, the last period. I informed you yesterday. Okay? I informed you, my learners, yesterday it will be math, and the science it will be tomorrow. Okay? This period it will be in fact for tomorrow, but we changed this. So today is math and tomorrow it will be science. Okay? So I will go back. So you are here, my daughter? Please inform them that they should join the lecture. Inform them that it's a must to join the lecture, because my daughters, tomorrow we have math, isn't it? So tomorrow you don't have math. Tomorrow we will have science lecture. Okay, today is math, tomorrow no math. Clear? Because we changed this. Clear, Wasan Amr and Asia and Wasan Saud?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will go back to the slides. Please, if there is something not clear, just tell me, sir, is it clear, not clear, voice is not clear. What about the voice first? Let's discuss first. Voice, clear or not? I want you to write something there. Good. Now let's say the slides. Was it clear? You can see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So we will repeat from the beginning, my learners, the lecture. We told that you will write, of course, you will write the title. I will write the title, my daughters. Okay. You will write fractions and percentages. Fractions and percentages. So tomorrow we don't have math. Clear? Okay, I will start, and at the same time you will try to write my daughters, okay? Because I will present this as a diploma, like that. So here I will explain this. Okay, so the title is, we told is a fraction and percentage. Write fractions and percentage on your notebook. Okay, this is what you will write exactly in your notebook. Title: fractions and percentages. Fractions and percentages. Clear? Then you will write the day, Wednesday, 5 May 2021. Topic is, let's say, fraction and percentages. Your teacher is Murad Sultan Zwidi, HSM. H means the name of my mother, which is Hania. S the name of my father, which is Sultan. M is me, Murad. Now we will start fractions and percentage. First of all, what is a fraction, my daughters? A fraction is what? A fraction can be a proper fraction, like that, when the numerator value is less than the denominator value, or it can be improper fraction. Improper fraction means the value of the numerator is more than the value of the denominator. Clear the screen?
Yes.
Okay, I will just do that. Just okay. I will make is less than the denominator. I will make it small, this one, to be seen at least 40. I will make 40, my daughters, to be seen, this one. Okay, now I will go this one to my. Okay, we continue. Okay. So here, my daughters, we told that 1 over 2 is a proper fraction. So a proper fraction means what? Proper fraction means the value of the numerator, which is 1 here, is less than the value of the denominator, which is 2. That's why it's called the proper fraction, because 1 is less than 2. That's why it's called proper fraction. So at the same time I'm explaining, you will try also, my learners, to write the lecture. Okay, here for example, 1 over 2. How can you write 1 over 2 as a percentage? How can you do it? Yes,
20%.
1 over 2, my daughter. How can you write it as a percentage? Yes, Essie.
I don't know.
Okay. Look, my daughter. 1 over 2, you will just appear in the denominator 100. You will try to find or to search for an equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means what? Means that both fractions have the same value. For example, 1 over 2 and 50 divided by 100 are called equivalent fractions. Why? Simply because we multiply the numerator by 50, and at the same time we multiply the denominator by 50. We should multiply by the same number or divide by the same number to get equivalent fraction. Look, this is 1 over 2, isn't it? Yes? This is 1.
Yes.
The numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2. The question is that, Bennett, how can I find denominator value is 100? Should I multiply this 2 by what? By
50.
by 50. Good girl. as you multiply the denominator by 50, you should also multiply the numerator by 50. Don't tell I will multiply this by 50 and here by 10. No, you should multiply by the same number. Why exactly 50? Because I want to get here 100. Because I'm talking about percentage. Okay? That's why here you should appear 100. Clear? So, look, 1 multiplied by 50 is 50. And 2 multiplied by 50 is 100. So, 50 divided by 100, my daughters, it will be 50%. Okay? Please write the first one. Then I will go to the second one to explain. The second one, 3 over 4. 3 over 4. This is a fraction, my learners. I want to change this or to convert this to percentage. So I need what? This is a fraction, yes. I need to find an equivalent fraction that have the same value, but the denominator should be equal to 100. I should do what here? I should multiply the numerator, and the denominator by what? By what, my learners? I should multiply 3 by what? And 4 by what? To get 75 divided by 100. Because this fraction is equivalent.
25.
Good girl. Because 25 multiplied by 4 gives 100. As multiply here by 25, I should also multiply the numerator by 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. Plus the third 25, it will be 75. So here, look here, 75 divided by 100, in your opinion, is equal to what? Is equal to 70. Yes, 75 divided by 75%. Clear? I will give another example.
Clear.
Okay. I will give another example. For example, 3 divided by 10, my learners. 3 divided by 10. I want to write this as a percentage. Clear? I want to write this as percentage. So 3 divided by 10. This is a fraction. Try to find an equivalent fraction that is equal to 3 over 10, and then you can convert it to percentage. Means what? Try to find an equivalent fraction. Means that try to find, let's say, a fraction where the denominator is 100. You should multiply. Yes? You should multiply by what here? Yes, my daughter. I'm hearing your voice. Good girl. You should multiply here by 10, the denominator by 10, and also the numerator by 10. Clear? This one, how can you do it? It's very easy. 3 by 10, my learners, is 30. Then 10 by 10 is 100. Now I can stop here and I will tell that 30 divided by 100 is an equivalent fraction to what? To 3 over 10. Clear? This it's very important. 3 over 10 and 30 divided by 100, my learners, is called equivalent fractions, meaning they have the same value. Why? Because you multiply the numerator by the same number and the denominator by the same number. That's why you got equivalent fraction. So 30 divided by 100 is what as percentage? It will be what? Good girl. It will be 30%. Excellent. Very good. Asia, thank you for your participation. Now, my daughters, I will make, for example, 5 divided by 25. This is, my daughters, is a fraction. Clear? Is a proper fraction. I want to write it as a percentage. As a percentage. You should find an equivalent fraction, yes or no? Where the denominator is 100. How can you appear here? How can you appear here 100, my learners? How can you find 100? You should multiply the first fraction by what? By
10.
Are you sure? I want only, this is why I multiply by 10, because 10 by 10 is 100. But this one, my daughter, 25 multiplied by what gives 100? Yes? 25 divided by what gives 100? Yes? Yes, my daughters. We told 25 multiply by what gives?
4.
Yes, good girl. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Thank you for your answer, your feedback. So your friend told that, just a moment, told that I should multiply 25 by 4. Correct. Yes. Very good. As you multiply here, my daughter, by 4, also you should multiply the numerator by what? By 4. Clear? By 4, like that. So look here, 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Is 20. Then 25 by 4 is 100. So this one, as a percentage, you will write just is equal to 20%. Good girl. Please write this as quick as you can, and if you finish it, please let your teacher know so that he can give you some other questions. Okay. The screen was clear, my learners?
Yes.
Okay.
I finished.
Good girl. And the others?
No.
Not yet.
1 minute.
Okay, my daughter Wasim Amr. Okay, I want your attendance. Grade, okay. I'll come there. Okay. Who is absent? Just let me know about the name of the student that were absent. They will lose mark, of course. Those who are absent, they lose mark, my daughters. Just a moment. Just a moment. الحمد لله. الصف السادس ثنائي بنات. Okay. Absence. إثار. لمار. أميمة. إثار already I did it. خلاص. إثار. أميمة صفية. and منى. Yes. إثار لمار أميمة صفية منى. Okay. third period. Okay, we continue. So now we move to the next slide, my daughters. I will go to the second one. Here we have, you will write, of course, the question. Convert the following. Convert the following. Convert the following. We have, so the question is convert the following fraction to percentages. This is a fraction and this is a percentage. Our purpose or our target today is to change 50% to a fraction, and to change also, let's say, a fraction to a percentage. Then also to do what to do, to convert 25% to a fraction. Okay, let's do this. Can we start?
Yes.
Okay, look here, my daughters. Okay, look, 50%, my learners, I will write as what? As 50 divided by 100. So 50% is 50 divided by 100. But the fraction, the fraction that is given is 10 divided by 20. I will change this to equivalent fraction, which is that. I will change this one, which is 10 divided by 20, to what? To this one. This one are called, my learners, equivalent fraction. Are called equivalent of fraction. Equivalent fraction. Why? Because they have the same value. It's called equivalent. Okay, for example, like you told me, teacher, 100 divided by 4, for example, 100 divided by 4 is what? Is 25, isn't it? Is equal to 25, yes or no? Yes or no? Like you said also, 25 divided by 1. 25 divided by 1 is what? Is equal to what? Equal to 25. That's why you see here, this a fraction, 25 divided by 1 and 100 divided by 4, they have the same value. What is the same value? 25, 25. Okay? This is the meaning of having the same value. Clear? So, in order to get this one, I went from 20, I want to get 100. I should multiply the denominator by what? By 5. 20 by 5 is 100. As you multiply this is by 5, also this one should be multiplied, my learners, by 5. Look here, 10 by 5 is 50, 20 multiplied by 5 is 100. So now I got two equivalent fractions. 10 divided by 20 in fact is equal to 50 out of 100, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 50%. Clear? The next one. Okay, Now I will consider this one. 30%. How can you write it as a fraction? It will be 30 divided by 100. Yes or no? Because 30%.
Yes.
Okay. So then you will, how many tens are there in 30?
3.
3. Good girl. I will cross this out off and will make 3. This is 3. Then how many tens are in 100? 10, isn't it? 10. So that's why the answer is 3 divided by 10. This 3 divided by 10 in fact is equivalent to 30 divided by 100. Why it's called equivalent? Because they have the same value. Okay? Now move to the second part. 1 over 4. Okay. I want to appear 100 here. I should multiply 4 by what? Yes, I'm hearing to you, my daughters. I should. 1 over 4. This is the first fraction that you will start with. I want you to change this to a percentage. But before changing 1 over 4 to percentage, you should find equivalent fraction where the denominator is 100. So the 4 should be multiplied by what?
25.
Yes, good girl. It will be multiplied by 25. And what about the numerator? You should also multiply by 25 or 24?
25.
Good girl. Why? Because you are talking about equivalent fraction. Because you are discussion or working with equivalent fractions, means that you should multiply by the same number or divide by the same number. Clear? Okay. Your friend Asia, Wasan Amr and Wasan Saud, told that I should multiply the first fraction 1 over 4 by 25. 1 by 25 is 25. 25 by 4 is 100. And she told that 1 over 4 and 25 divided by 100 are called equivalent fractions. I asked her why. She told they have the same value. Okay, so your friend, she reached the last answer. She reached this fraction, equivalent fraction. She wrote 25 divided by 100. But this one, can you write it as a percentage? 25 divided by 100. Can you write this as a percentage? So the answer is what? Should be equal to 25%. Good girl. Okay. Now I will give you an example. The fraction here, it will be, for example, 3 divided by 5. I want you to write it as a percentage. Of course, after writing this, when you finish writing this, let me know to give you this exercise. Clear? Clear, my daughters? Okay, I will wait for you till you finish writing.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Wasan Amr. If you finish it, tell me, Mr. I finished it, so that I will give you 1 minute to write, or 2 minutes. This depends on how you are fast. If you are okay, and Wasan, not finished, isn't it? Not finished. Okay, I will wait for you, don't worry. I will never fly to the moon.
I finished.
Today I will stay here on the earth, on the global terrestrial, so that I can't fly today to the moon, because I have some daughters. I should wait for them to finish writing, then I will discuss if it is possible to fly to the moon, or I will continue the lecture. Okay? Finish. All of you finished now?
Yes.
Okay, good girl. So the question is that try to convert 3/5 to percentage. I want you to write this as percentages. Okay, I will let's say give you time to think, or those who want to participate, I will make her a moderate or a presenter so that she can write on the screen of mine. Okay, who wants to be a moderator? Who is the brave daughter who can do this? Okay, I'm looking for you.
I think I'll try.
Okay, you will try. So I will make you a moderator, my daughter. I'll just cancel this. Okay, just a moment. Okay, how it comes here. So Asia, you want? Okay, Asia, where is Asia? This one is Asia. Yes, Asia Saud, Istanbuli, صح? So make
Yes.
presenter. Now you are the presenter, my daughter. Okay, now you are the presenter. Okay,
Okay.
just a moment. I will go to the slide. This is the slide, my daughter. You can work on the screen, try to write something, or you can write or not.
I can't see the screen.
You cannot see. Okay, sorry. I will share. Sorry for that. I forget to share this. Sorry, my daughter. Okay, now Asia, I thought she is our moderator now, and we will see what she can do. We are all of us seeing what she will do exactly. Try to write something, my daughter, on the screen.
You still didn't make me moderator.
You still not a moderator? Are you sure? Okay, just a moment, my daughter. Asia, where is Asia? Asia, this is Asia. Okay, make promote. Okay, clear. Now you can do it. Try to write something.
How do I write?
I didn't see it. On the same board you wrote. You write nothing, my daughter.
I can't write.
You cannot write. Okay. So what's the problem? Okay. Promote remover. Do okay. Make user start private. Demote. So no problem, my daughter. No problem. We continue. No problem, my daughter. I will explain this. So here we have we told this one 3/5. Look how to do this, my daughters. Before that, you should find equivalent fraction here, a fraction like that, and where the denominator should be equal to 100. Okay, I will just use okay, I will use this one, stilo. Okay, look here, my daughters. I will write 3 divided by 5 as it is, no change. Okay, I will write 3 divided by 5. Did I change something? No.
No.
Okay. Then, as I wrote here 3 over 5, I should multiply by a number. By a number, so that in the numerator I should get 100. Look, this is 100. I will close my eyes and I will write here 100. Then I will ask you the question: how many groups of 5 are there in 100? How many groups of 5 are there in 100? Or 5 multi
25.
20, you mean?
25.
25. Look here, my daughter. 25 multiply by 5. I will just write the answer here. Okay. 5 by 5 is 25. I will write 5 here, then I will carry 2 here. Clear? Okay, I will put into a circle. 5 by 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So the answer is 125. Me, I want to appear as the denominator value 100. So I should multiply this by what? Yes. By 10, it will be 50. By 20, you mean?
20.
Good girl, yes. By 20. Okay. As you multiply the denominator by 20, you should also multiply the numerator by 20. Okay. So, 20 multiplied by 3, my learns, is 60. 60 divided by 100 is equivalent fraction. This one, what I'm colored now, I will color it with, for example, red. This fraction, my daughters, 3 over 5 and 60 divided by 100 are called equivalent fraction. So we start from that and we reach 60 over 100. Now you can see it's a percentage. It's written as a percentage. Why? Because the denominator is 100. So this one is what? Is 60%. Clear?
60%.
Good girl. Is 60%. Please finish writing this, then we move to the second part. Finish.
No.
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay. Watson, yesterday you told me, please teacher, if I have a homework or assignment sheet I didn't do it, let me know, isn't it?
Yeah.
I will show a homework you didn't do it. Okay? It's a gift. It's a gift for you from your teacher. Okay? But okay, but not now. Just write this one, then I will show this for you, or I will continue. Then, if you find time, I will show the worksheet that you jump it. Okay. Now at least you know how can you convert or change fraction to percentage. Then you will see how can we change percentage to decimals. Percentage to decimals. If you finish it, please, my learners, tell me to forward the next slide.
I finished.
A good girl. So it left only 13 minutes. I should finish the third one. Here we have you can write the question. Convert or change the given percentage to decimals. 20%, you will write first percentage, this is percentage, then this one is decimals. Okay, this is decimals. Okay, hurry up.
I finished.
Good girl. Did you write percentage then decimals? This one. Okay. So here we have 20%. How can you write it as a decimal? First of all, how can you write it as a fraction? 20%, is it 20 divided by 100? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So 20 divided by 100, my daughters, it will be 0.20. And 0.20, you can cancel this 0, it will be 0.2. Clear? One of them. If you wrote 0.20 correct, if you wrote 0.2 correct, if you wrote also 0.200 correct, okay? As you like. This is depends on the number of 0 that you want to put after the twos. Okay, 0, 0, and so on, always is true. Clear? So, but we accept this kind of answers. Okay, 0.20 or 0.2. Then 31, my learners. 31. I mean 0.31 is a decimal. Okay. This is the decimal point. This is 3/10. This is 1/100. And this is 0 ones or 0 units, because this is the columns of units. This is tenths. This is hundredths. The digit that is comes after the decimal point, that is written on the right hand side, is called tenths columns, hundredth columns, and so on. So this one, 0.31, you can write it as what? As 31 divided by 100. So 31 divided by 100, my learners, this is a fraction. Clear? This is a fraction. So this is a fraction, my learners. A fraction, Mr. Murad. Okay, this is a fraction. Clear? And this one, my learners, is decimal. This is decimals, this is a fraction. Now I will change to percentage. So 31 divided by 100, my learners, is 31%. Put in consideration that this one is a homework I already did in the model. Okay, the same numbers. Just write your name and do it. Clear? It's very easy. Clear, my daughters? The same numbers. You will write, for example, I will tell you 20%, you will write here 0.20. I will write 0.31, you will write 31%. Then here 63%, this is, it will be in the final exam, Evan. This one, it will be in the final exam. Clear? FN. Don't tell that, Mr. Murad. He didn't tell us. FN means final exam. FNE means final exam. Clear? And also this one, 20%, it will be 1/5. 1/5, yes. This one also is 1/5, is equal to 20%. 1/5 is equivalent to 20 divided by 100. Why? Because 5 by 100, 5 by 20 is 100. And 1 by 20 is 20. Okay, both these two questions will be included. Then We continue. We told 63. I will write here 63 divided by 100. Clear? By 100. Okay. This one. Please write this. Did you finish? Did you finish, my daughters? Did you finish, my best daughter in the world? Or not?
I finished.
Okay, I will go to the next one, my daughters. So, the next slide. Okay. Now, thank you for listening, but wait for me 1 minute to show you something. Okay. Okay, save. Now I will come here. Grade 6, huh? I will just stop sharing here in order to show you something. Okay, this question. Okay, I will share again. So you can see the screen, my daughters. You can see the screen. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will show you something. This it will be in your final exam. Convert 63 divided by 100. You will write here 63. And 25% you will write what? 1 over 5. 1 over 4. Clear? I will just close this. Clear or not?
Clear.
Thank you for listening, and see you inshallah next time. Tomorrow we don't have math, my daughters, okay? Because we already did this, okay? And tomorrow maybe instead of my period you will have science, okay? So I thought it's clear. If you have doubt, clear. I thought clear. I think if you have some doubt or you need help, if you need help, your teacher is on your hands, okay? And thanks for listening, okay? And see you inshallah next time. Okay, thank you for writing your lessons, my daughters, and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.